In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
This is the Ethereum price chart. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. I want to give you guys this Ethereum price chart because I want you guys to see what Ethereum has been doing over the past year. The current price of Ethereum is $171.64. Ethereum is the key to another altcoin rally. Ethereum is the number one, the major altcoin. 85 to 90% of the altcoins are based on Ethereum. So Ethereum is crucial to moving forward. As you can see, the market cap right now is $251 billion. I want to take a look at, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, Knockout Crypto. But this is our ETH price chart, and I want to just focus on the altcoins. So I could just get altcoins here. BTC dominance is at 63%. As you can see now, Ethereum is at 7.6%, 7.4%. Bitcoin's at 69%, which is really high. Bitcoin was at 87% before we started our rally in 2017, where the altcoins really took over, and we had a rally where Bitcoin was only in January 8th, 2018, at the height of the altcoin rally. Ethereum was 17% of the market value, and Bitcoin Cash was 6%. XRP was 11%. But yeah, it was very impressive, the altcoins. Bitcoin was down to 35% market dominance, 33% market dominance. And now Bitcoin has risen all the way back up to that 69% mark. And Bitcoin was at 85% at one point in 2017. So I don't know if we're headed back to those days, but Bitcoin has been the dominant coin for most of the crypto cycle. So having an altcoin rally, again, will require Bitcoin dominance to drop. And right now, we're not in that cycle. Right now, we're in a cycle where Bitcoin dominance is rising, which means the altcoins are going to drop. And it's really going to be the key altcoin to watch is Ethereum. Ethereum is the key altcoin to watch. And because all the other altcoins usually follow Ethereum most of the time. So let's look at the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart is impressive. I mean, you had this coin that was $1.63 in 2015. If you rate it to 2017, now Ethereum is $248. So that's a huge return. Then by the end of 2017, beginning of 2018, Ethereum's up to $1,300, going from 55, 60 cents to $1,300 in the course of 3 years. That's a huge investment return in the course of 3 years. So then they sold market cycle, Ethereum back down to 190 now, 171. We got down to a low of, I think, $89 December 13th, 2018. That was the low for Ethereum recently. Will we hit $89 again? I don't know. But I do know that we are coming up on the point where it looks like Ethereum should be making a move up. Now, when this is going to happen, could be in the next 12 to 18 months, but you're going to have patience. It's going to take time. We're first going to have to allow that Bitcoin dominance to get back up to 80%. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 69%. And I'm not sure that that's where it's going to stay, but it's there. There's other charts out there, other predictions. What I want to show you guys, this one of the guys that I like to follow, Thomas Lee. He is head of Fundstrat Global Advisors. He shows a certain optimism about changes in the Ethereum network, which would boost the price of the coin up to 1900 as major vulnerabilities will be solved and new investment will flow in. So there are some positive changes here for the Ethereum network. They are doing some positive changes in terms of making the platform more not vulnerable, making the platform more stable, making the platform faster, and these things should contribute to making Ethereum more popular. Another thing about Ethereum that a lot of people don't realize, Ethereum is the one network that has, like I said before, the most developers. I think I've referenced that before on my channel, that Ethereum has the most developers. And if you know anything about technology, like Microsoft had the most developers. Whoever has the most developers is going to be usually the most successful. So Bitcoin is way above everybody. Has a lot more monthly developers than Ethereum, but then Ethereum is next, ahead of all the other altcoins. Ethereum is the next most developers. Monthly average Ethereum developers 1,156. So Ethereum is ahead of every other project. And we know that almost 90% of the projects are based on Ethereum. So it's very impressive to see where Ethereum is at. Currently on Coinbase, you can see the same thing. Ethereum, massive gains from where it started to now, where it is a huge asset. Got all the way up to $1,300 in 2017, and now it's down, but it is gonna rise again. And we just have to wait for these cycles to play out. Usually, these market cycles can take 2 to 3 years in crypto. From where it started, it was a 3-year cycle, so we're still looking at probably another 2 years possible for it to go back up. But it is a unique project, and if you look at the Ethereum price chart, if you study it, this year has been pretty much a down year, but it can bounce back. And we have to remember that this month has been really rough on Ethereum. We went down from $231 at the beginning of August to now $171. So people have been selling Ethereum, getting out of it. So it's been kind of a rough month for Ethereum. I want to go over this chart that I saw. Just an idea about Ethereum. A lot of people are bearish on Ethereum right now. I'm not. I think long-term Ethereum has a great future. As you can see, this chart, Ethereum is about to have a major breakout. You can see the levels here that they're talking about. Do I think it's going to go to, $885 by July 2020? I don't know, but I do think Ethereum won't be at these low levels for long. I think we're in an accumulation zone here, and I think we need to accumulate during this time period. All right. Same thing here. Ethereum beast mode initiated. As you can see, Ethereum is in a falling wedge. Retest of 236 fib is likely, valued at $200, maybe more. Yeah, you can kind of see that happening here. It's falling, and then you can see it going back up to 200 here with no problem. So I think this is just a time where people are going to have to hold tight. And then wait for the bounce. I think we got a bounce coming for Ethereum. We just got to wait for it. 204 is the bounce point. So how far this goes down, we don't know. Maybe the 140, like he says. Maybe the 204 would be the bounce point. Once we get down to maybe 140, we'll see. Some critical price reasons for Ethereum here. 155.69. We could close below that. Could be bad. If it can go back up to 228, that'd be great. You got some levels here. 363 is another level. So Ethereum has different levels it can go to. Let's see where it goes. Let's see what happens. But the potential is there to move forward. I think we're in the buy zone for Ethereum right now. And I think this is something a lot of people have to realize, that we're in the buy zone for Ethereum right now. And you should be buying. Long term, you should be buying Ethereum right now. Just makes perfect sense that right now you would buy it. We're in the low